Check this out. ALDI has a foldable acacia wood tray table for just $19.99, plus plenty of new kitchen finds starting from only $4.99. Welcome! Today we're checking out the new ALDI Special Buys, with deals arriving Wednesday, August 19th, and more Dad's favorites coming Saturday, August 22nd. There are kitchen essentials, gadgets, car accessories, gifts, and more. So stay until the end because there are some interesting finds ahead. You can pause the video and zoom in anytime to check every product in detail. If you love Asian flavors, this section is worth a closer look. ALDI has Marion's Kitchen Meal Kits for just $5.89 each, with choices including Thai green curry, Pad Thai, Sanchoy bowl, and Pad CEW. You can also find the Obento Sushi Kit for $9.99, instant noodle bowls for $1.99, plus sauces, chili crisp, rice, and snacks. There's a nice mix here for an easy dinner or for trying something different at home. There are even more Asian favorites here, and some of these prices are pretty sharp. You've got Indomie Mi Goreng 5 packs for $3.69, mochi packs for $3.99, Vietnamese instant rice noodles from $1.49, plus kimchi, seaweed chips, ramen bowls, curry sauce, matcha, and green tea Kit Kats. And if you want something completely different, ALDI is even featuring an Asia cruise package at the bottom of the page. Dad's wardrobe gets an affordable refresh here. ALDI has shorts from $14.99, 3 packs of tees from $10.99, plus pullovers, joggers, and trekking sandals. A practical section if you're looking for an easy Father's Day gift without spending too much.
This section has some fun gift ideas for Dad. The Dartboard Set stands out at $39.99, while collectors can find F1 die-cast cars for $29.99 and other models from $19.99. There's even a compact 64-liter bar fridge for $99.99 with a 3-year warranty. Here's where the everyday savings kick in. Aldi says more than 300 prices have just dropped, with deals across everyday groceries. Salmon portions are down to $25.99, Butterfly spread is $4.99, and selected West Acre cheese starts at $4.49. These are the kinds of price cuts worth checking if they're already on your regular shopping list. And that wraps up this week's ALDI Special Buys. Which deal would you grab first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you spot something worth buying, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next ALDI deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.